Hello and welcome back to DaveTech YouTube channel. In today's video tutorial, I'll show you how to free up storage with the Onn TV. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. So if you have your Onn TV downloaded up to the home screen, follow me step by step and you should get this done by the end of the video. Now head over to quick settings, click on it, and you're going to navigate to all settings. When you're on all settings, go down to system. That's the option you want. Click on system and navigate now to storage. So this is a one-click method. Click on storage and now you have two options. Go down to the free up storage and explore these two options. So the first thing you could do is to clear cache, and this will remove all the user information, but you retain the applications. So this will free up a reasonable amount of space. But if that's not enough, you could uninstall apps. So navigate down and click on uninstall apps to choose the apps you want to uninstall. So clicking on this, you could choose whatever app is now not useful, whatever app you deem unnecessary. So from here you could uninstall those apps and that's going to free up storage. So for instance, if I wanted to uninstall Canal Plus, I'll just click on Canal Plus and navigate to the uninstall button. Clicking on this button is going to give me the OK button. That will confirm my decision to uninstall Canal Plus and I'll have it uninstalled. So for now, I'll click cancel and I'll return to the screen. So those are the two options: either you clear cache or you uninstall some applications to free storage on your Onn TV. And that is it for this tutorial. If you found it insightful, hit that like button, subscribe to join the family, and we'll see you in the next video.